Hi guys, welcome back to POTSCAPE for another episode of Bonsai with Reece. Today we'll be looking at soil, how to sieve it out to size and grade it, wash it and then prepare a soil mix. This is a certain type of clay, it's called molar clay, and it does break down but it's quite tough, you know, so it means you can reuse it, unlike akadama that just after a while it goes to mush, especially if it's been frozen and thawed out. This, as long as it's clean, you can reuse it. I'll show you how I wash it out. There is a bucket and there's another one. So after sieving to grade it to size, it needs washing a bit. So I mean, I've started doing it already, hence why it's that nice red colour now. But in the bottom of this bag, I poke some holes so it ends up like a sieve, and then I just keep pouring water through. Put about 5 or 6 litres of water through each, then let it dry. I will just show you quickly. Just get one of these bottles. I've already put a few of these through already, and just tip it through. One bottle gone. You can hear that draining through now. And that is virtually the process. I mean, after you've done about 3 litres, take the bag and just shuffle it about a bit, make sure there's no little dry patches and things. But that is pretty much how we sift and wash it, prepare it for mixing. We'll go on to the soil mix that we use in the next part of this video. We'll skip forward a couple of days, let the gravel dry out a bit. Here we go, so we'll get a nice clean bucket. Do 5 scoops. 5. We'll get our perlite. Do 5 of them as well. 1. 5. So you've got equal quantities of the clay granules and the perlite, you see. To that we'll add 1 scoop of vermiculite. Then we'll get our sieve and add 1 scoop of just ordinary all-purpose compost. That's it, the rest of that, do what you want with it. And that is pretty much done. However big you want the batch that you're making, just ramp it up, so do 10 of each and 2 of each. And vice versa, just so on and so forth. Right, that's it guys, another episode with Bonsai with Reece, soil preparation and soil mix. See you next time. Thanks for watching.